Hi, everybody. AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, sporting a little Election Day shadow here. Hope you're having a terrific Election Day. We are in record setting territory once again for our forecast, not only today, but also warm temperatures above normal coming up for the next several days. So we are going to be checking the forecast, and it is definitely a good one. I think you're going to like what you see. We're going to start off with the extended, as we like to do now, and get you an early outlook as to how things are looking on into the weekend on this blustery Election Day 2024. Presidential election is now in progress, but we are looking forward to bright sunshine after a rainy period expected tonight and tomorrow. But the rain should be ending, and we're expecting cooler temperatures. Yeah, no more 80-degree highs for a little while. In fact, we may have seen our warmest high temperature for about the next 4 or 5 months. But we'll enjoy a cooler yet seasonal temperature regime here for Thursday into Friday. That looks fantastic. Friday's high near 60 with sunny skies on into Saturday. Saturday, we're up to 62, still cool, but still sunny. Rain is back in on Sunday, so kind of a 50-50 weekend the way it looks right now. Showery weather on Sunday and 68 degrees with lows right around 50 after morning lows in the 40s, it looks like, or close to 40, both on into Thursday and Friday morning. Okay, we'll check our nearshore marine forecast and give you a small craft advisory as you have a live look there with blue skies and puffy clouds. Small craft flag will be flying into tomorrow morning. Winds south and then southwest at 15 to 20 knots. Waves running generally 2 to 4 feet. And that will apply into tomorrow. Winds swinging around to the west behind the cold front coming in, 15 to 20 knots. And our water temperature is holding at 59 degrees. Check this out. With our record high temperatures, we'll make that full screen, courtesy of the National Weather Service in Cleveland, showing today's high temperature forecasts in the upper 70s to near 80. If we do hit 80, that would smash the old record, which is standing at 77 in Cleveland, set a couple of years ago. So we're expecting to at least maybe break that record. Winds are powerful. To get temperatures like this, you've got to have a wind that is out of the south-southwest at generally 30 to 40 miles an hour, and maximum wind gusts are approaching 35 miles an hour at Hopkins Airport. So above normal temperatures, way above normal, certainly for this time of the year. So we have a look at our satellite imagery. Look at all the bright sunshine today. Clouds are starting to fill in a little bit across the state right now, but for the most part, we started off with sunny skies for a good portion of the Buckeye State today. We'll look across the entire country now, expand the view, show you the cloud cover and that mantle of clouds associated with a cold front that's marching our way. Meantime, near the banner there in the lower right-hand corner where you see the satellite verbiage, the text, there is a tropical storm that has formed, and we'll zoom into that sector. This is Rafael, which is a tropical storm currently. Somewhat dramatic picture there south of Cuba, the island of Cuba, and west of Jamaica. And here is the projected path of Rafael taking us through Wednesday. Could be a hurricane. Rafael is expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane toward the western part of Cuba, heading out into the Gulf of Mexico, and eventually, perhaps this weekend, could be impacting anywhere from Texas, more than likely over Louisiana and Alabama, Mississippi areas as a tropical storm. That is the current projection. Meantime, we'll show you radar over the last couple of hours, and there's the rain extending out of Thunder Bay and Sault Ste. Marie, wrapping into Minneapolis, St. Paul. Some showery weather and some thunder out toward the Twin Cities. Meantime, rain showers extend out of Chicago and St. Louis. Those rain showers, as we put the maps in motion, From tonight, especially through the overnight hours, after about midnight or 1 o'clock, the rain moves in west to east along the cold front. And this is how the front progresses by tomorrow morning. We're still dealing with rain here. This is good. We do need the rain, so it stayed out of here for the election day. Meantime, snow over parts of Montana down into Colorado. The snow will be coming down with to beat the band out there, especially over the Rockies. That snow persists into tomorrow night. You can see the cold front kind of sags south and east over the state and moves into southeastern Ohio tomorrow night, taking the rain along with it, even as Rafael works its way out in the Gulf of Mexico. There's by Thursday morning. Futurecast radar, we'll put the maps in motion here, take us into Wednesday morning. We'll stop the action right there at about 5 a.m. That's a pretty good round of rain. So wet morning rush hour on Wednesday. The things improve pretty rapidly through Wednesday afternoon, and any showery weather would be much more dispersed and scattered. So, our forecast for tonight goes as follows: showers overnight. So, we start off dry tonight, then rain showers after the midnight hour. It'll still be on the blustery side, a little, I'd say, mild for this time of the year. Overnight lows near 60. That's above normal highs for this time of the year, which are like around 56. Sunset tonight, 5:17. Winds will be blustery out of the south, 15 to 20, and gusts to 30. For tomorrow, expect showers and cloudy skies in the morning, and then by the afternoon, we'll see some sunshine back in here. Look at that high. That's almost a dozen degrees, I would say, above normal. For this time of the year, that's not too shabby. Sun up at 7:06. Winds from southwest will eventually become west. There is a look at our extended outlook one more time for you. Just grand, especially as we are in November, sunny skies, and it seems like a science fiction forecast, but it looks good for several dry days in a row, taking us into the weekend. Sun and cool for Saturday, 62, and rain showers on Sunday, and the high on Sunday, 68 degrees. Have a great and safe election day, everybody, and enjoy this beautiful mild weather for this time of the year. Appreciate you stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.